Welcome to Rain Rose Channel USA. If you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to Kohl's and do some shopping again. And some of them are also my unboxing and more shopping. Thank you. I hope you enjoy. God bless you. So today we're gonna unbox the one that we got from Kohl's. We have the other color, the black one, but I'm thinking of changing it into red because I have a lot of red now in my house. One of my friend, Eva, left me a red, for the, is that for water, heating water, and some other stuff. So now I'm just, I feel like, and my mom also buy a red hat. So I said, oh no. So now it's like, of course I want same color or same style. So this time I will just get this. So yeah, there's only 10 pieces. I think, yeah, this is like 10 pieces on this one. And it's worth $100. So let's go in unboxing this. So of course I saw this one. Very small. It's like only for egg. It's like for egg, and there's 2 of this, and it has even we're thinking of buying red that time too, but we'll see. I just love to have some stuff that are pairs. And of course this, I'm gonna put that down. And this one, my mom had this, see, he bought the, only 1 piece, but now at least I have this. I don't know what's that cover. So now this and this one for the cover. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says 10. Let's see. And I have another. Okay, a pack. And a cover there, put in a cover, put that there, and then I have so many stuff like this. And another one. Well, there's only few, so we're used to having a lot in my house, the black color, but they're getting tired already. It's like it's bad already, so I want to have a new stuff for myself now. The cover is, this one is for them. I like this kind of pads. It's good for non-stick. So I'm thinking when I go back to the Philippines, I'll buy some also this for my condo. Because I have some I bought from the Philippines for the condo, but it's only a few pieces. So when we go back in there, we'll just get some. There you go, guys. Thank you. And this is my unboxing for my new pads. And they are called the Red Volcano. Red Volcano. The red zone. Okay. Because this is the only one that's same as my other reds. No. So there you go. Thank you. These are for eggs. We got one. Yeah. It's only a few pieces, so. So my friend Eva gave me that and this one. So I just want to wear. My mom got this shampooing. I know. No, it's just winter time again, so it's so cute. Nice one, isn't it? Back here, so to get the vacuum is I want to vacuum, but this time is the shampoo. We have the bigger one that time, but it retired. The vacuum wants to retire, so today I'll get this. This one. It's cheaper. It's not just cheaper, it's lighter. I don't like this one, but I choose this. It's a difference. Just the bigger. I don't like too big because it's heavy. I want just lighter. And this one is $29. And this one, look, it's $349. Wait a minute. It says something on this one. So checking, there's only one left on this one. Because that's the design of the one I like in there. So one left, and the rest are different style. Got that. And it looks like I need to get one of these. So I'll just copy what is in there. There you go. Price. That one is I'm just gonna get one in here. I hope they have something that spot stain remover and that's all. It's not getting your hand. Let's go and eat outside happening. There's Kohl'S, our favorite places I have. So I have two grapes this time. I called it half. Strawberry and I forgot what is this one. And Bruce have that. I think it's a beef, huh? What is that?
Steak, egg, and cheese omelet.
Okay, and the fruits. And of course coffee. Because this is Bruce's breakfast, even it's already 4 p.m. There you go. Thank you. It's okay, you're fine. There you go. Bruce doesn't want me to take a video anymore of him. So there's our food. This is one of our favorite here in IHOP. We like to order crepes, and Bruce always takes something like that, but different. You know, this one is beef. Sometimes you got something else like chicken and stuff like that. So. It's really good. This crepes is always the one I ask for Bruce to make me, especially, or sometimes it makes him like, it's my birthday, so he's gonna do a crepe because this is one of my favorite breakfasts. So, and it's really good. I love crepes. But the only thing on crepes, you need to eat it as soon as you cook it, because if it's a longer time, it doesn't taste the same anymore. There you go. Thank you, guys. Hi, this is Rose channel. If you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.